back to our no, welcome back to our check it. Welcome back to our natural log house YouTube channel. Today we're gonna show you a house that we built, and it's one of our most beautiful houses. The measurement of this house is 8 by 10 meters, and we used around 100 to 120 cubic meters of wood to build it. And look at this beautiful terrace. We also built this beautiful terrace. Look at this beautiful fence made out of ash tree and the flooring out of larch.
This table was made from salvage wood that was fallen in the windbreak a couple of years ago. It was all covered in the mud, so we spent almost a whole day pulling it out from the forest and from that mud, and another couple of days to peel the bark that was totally handmade.
The roofs has a unique trapezoid form because they have extended ridges. We are now at the entrance of the house, where we can see these beautiful unique pillars. The door is made of larch wood as well as the windows. We are now inside of the house, which is still in the process of building. Here is a bathroom, here is kitchen, and here is a living space area. This sofa is another unique piece that we made. First we found a unique piece of alder wood, which we cut on half, which is on the sides of the sofa. And the rest of sofa is made out of walnut tree. This here is the most unique part of the house. We have a wall for a TV, we have stair pillar, and the stairs. The wall for television is made out of pear wood and is so unique I cannot say anything about it. The pillar is made out of walnut tree, which was found on this property, and it's so big that we had to put it in before we build the roof. If you want to put it out now, you have to cut it.
We are now here in the staircase for the basement, and this wooden wall here is not just the wall for TV, it also separates the room out there from this staircase down. And here you can also see this walnut. Maybe from outside doesn't look so big, but here you can see how long and how far he has tended to the corner of the staircase, and it's actually the main structural piece of the staircase. As Dylan already mentioned, this tree, this pear, was fallen for the purpose of making place for this house. Dylan, yes? Come here. When the tree was small, maybe 5 centimeters thick, they grafted this wild pear, and from this point on the home pear, the eating pear, is growing. Ooh. So this is the most interesting piece of wood maybe in this house because of this two-colored wood.
Wow.
This is another piece of pear that we have, and if you like what we did in the house, and if you want to see what we're going to do with this piece, subscribe, follow us, and we'll show you. Now back to the house.
The staircase is made out of the pieces that we cut out for the windows, which is fir wood. I'm standing now at the terrace of the attic. This fence is made out of spruce branches. The first floor of the house is made out of logs. The second is made out of large boards. This is the construction method we choose because we know that the logs will settle down. The insulation of the house is on the outside of the roof. That's why you can see the rafters inside. This is a bedroom, and do you remember Andrei? He will show us something in the bathroom. Come.
Hi again. Here you will find the most beautiful piece of this house. Here we have another piece of the same pear that we used for the wooden wall from television, but that's not the most beautiful part. This small piece here. I turned this piece from oak. I turned it from oak because owner wanted some place to put some soap on it. So I turned it and fit it in this stump here. And now he has a small place for soap. And now he has a small place for soap. And here, the last one, but still probably not the last piece that we made here in this house. We did these legs for the sink and the shelf, and on this shelf here, which is also made from the same pear that we fold down outside, the line of the, you can see this line, the coloration of the wood, dark and light.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions about this house, please leave a comment and we will try to answer. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.